Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Archituber. In today's video, I'll be sharing about 9 to 5 architectural job opportunities and their pros and cons. So without wasting more time, let's get into the video. So there are two different types of firms in India. The one is small scale firm and the second is big scale firm. So in small scale firms includes mostly 10 to 15 employees depending on the scope of work, whereas a big scale firm includes 50 to 100 employees. Okay, so in small scale firms you get so much of exposure compared to large scale firms. Talking about the pay scale depends on firm to firm. So for freshers in small scale firms they offers around 10 to 15,000. And it also depends on city to city and the scope of work you are given. And in large scale firms, it is around 15 to 35,000, I guess. And it also depends on city to city and the firm to firm. The bigger the firm, the pay scale is more. But if you talk about the work experience and your growth, in small scale firm you get so much of exposure. You get to learn so many different things. Like you get to learn 3D softwares, you develop software skills, you get to learn about practical knowledge, site supervision, site failures and what to do if there are site failures. And in small scale firms, what happens is you are given a project that has to be done by you, and you can discuss with your seniors or principal architect. But in large scale firm, what happens is you are given one or two types of jobs that you have to deliver in certain period of time, and it has to be reviewed by your seniors. Talking about the work time, there is no such fixed time when you work for a firm. It depends on your work and the firm. Okay, so there is no such fixed time as 9 to 5 and you will wrap up by 5 p.m. No, that's not the case in our field. Maybe you'll end up working on weekends as well, but that totally depends on the scale of firm you're working with. And I suggest, if you are fresher and you are looking for a job, I suggest to search for a small scale firm first, so that you can get your exposure and then you can shift to a bigger scale firm. Or if you want to do freelancing, then it's your choice. It's my personal opinion. If you work for a firm for more than a year or so, you get to learn about their work pattern and you develop your skills likewise. So I suggest to do that first, get your experience, get knowledge from that firm, and then move to bigger scale firms. Okay, so in the next video, I'll be talking about freelancing, how to start freelancing, how to start your own firm, how to get projects, and etc. So for that, please stay tuned and do let me know what more you want to see on this channel. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next on Sunday. Till then, take care.